In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add your own pictures on Google Slides. By the end, you'll be able to drop your own photos straight into a slide from your phone or tablet with confidence. First, launch the Google Slides app. Give it a moment to load your recent presentations. When you see the file you want to work on, open your document so you're viewing the slides. If you're looking at it in read-only mode, you won't be able to make changes yet. So let's switch to editing. Look to the bottom right corner of your screen and tap the edit icon, the small blue pencil. This puts the presentation into edit mode, which unlocks all the tools we need. Now decide exactly where the image should go. Tap to select the slide where you want the photo to appear. It helps to choose a layout with enough open space so your picture doesn't crowd important text. At the top of the screen, tap the plus icon in the toolbar. This opens the Insert menu with several options for adding content. From this menu, choose Image. You'll immediately be asked where you want to pull the picture from, and you have two simple choices. Choose from Photos if the image is already saved on your device. This will open your phone's gallery or camera roll. Browse your albums, tap the photo you want, and confirm. If prompted, allow the app to access your photos so it can insert the file. After a brief moment, the image will drop onto your slide. Alternatively, choose from camera to take a fresh photo on the spot. Your camera will open right away. Frame your shot, take the picture, and confirm to insert it instantly. If you're not happy with the first try, take another before confirming. You may be asked for camera permission the first time. Go ahead and allow it so the feature works smoothly. Once the image appears on the slide, you can fine-tune its placement. Drag the picture to move it and use the corner handles or pinch gestures to resize while keeping it proportional. If your text shifts, nudge things around until everything feels balanced and readable. A quick tip: leave a small margin around the edges so your slide doesn't look cramped. That's it. You launched Google Slides, opened your document, entered edit mode, picked the right slide, tapped the plus icon, selected image, and chose either from Photos or from Camera to bring your picture in. Google Slides saves changes automatically, so you can exit anytime knowing your work is safe.